Assalamu alaikum viewers, hope all is well. Welcome to Yas Mall, the largest luxury shopping destination in Abu Dhabi, located in the heart of Yas Island. Yas Mall offers an unforgettable retail experience with over 370 stores, world-class dining and exciting entertainment options. Whether you are looking for international fashion brands, the latest electronics or just a place to relax, Yas Mall has something for everyone. As you stroll through the spacious walkways, you will discover beautiful architectural design and atmosphere of luxury. Don't miss the chance to explore Yas Mall's vast range of restaurants and cafes, serving delicious cuisine from all over the world, making it the perfect destination for the whole family. Whether it's a shopping, dining, or entertainment, Yas Mall is your ultimate escape in Abu Dhabi. Conveniently located just 10 minutes from Abu Dhabi International Airport and a short drive from the capital, Yas Mall is a perfectly positioned to be your go-to shopping and leisure destination. Come experience the grandeur of Yas Mall, where shopping, dining and entertainment come together in a perfect harmony. For the entertainment lovers, Yas Mall is home to state-of-the-art cinema, interactive gaming zone, and direct access to Ferrari World. So whether you are looking for the latest fashion, mouth-watering food, or a full day of family fun, Yas Mall has it all. Yas Mall today, Abu Dhabi ultimate shopping and lifestyle destination. Viewers, it's time to go home. May Allah bless you and your family. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.